I'm going to share with you 5 natural products that you can apply to your skin that might help you reduce your itchiness. Now, if you haven't already watched my video on 10 tips to reduce the itch, check that out when you can. Those tips will help you treat the causes of your itching. These natural products I'm about to recommend are more for treating the symptoms of the itch. So kind of just calming the storm. If you never find out why your skin is itchy in the first place, you will be itchy forever. Anyways, let's get into these natural products. Hello, all you itchy people. My name is Larry. Welcome back to Fighting Eczema. The first natural product on this list is colloidal oatmeal. Colloidal basically means very fine powder, so colloidal oatmeal is just finely grounded oats. Studies continuously show that colloidal oatmeal has anti-inflammatory and soothing properties, which is great for calming down any itchiness that you might have. One study also showed that colloidal oatmeal affected the skin microbiome in a positive way. Staphylococcus bacteria, which is often said to be a contributor for dermatitis, was found to be lower in people who used a colloidal oatmeal cream compared to people who used a standard moisturizer. Nowadays, a lot of brands out there are creating colloidal oatmeal creams. All of them will have different ingredients, so it's really up to you to find one that works best for you. Personally, I'm more of a fan of doing a colloidal oatmeal bath because it's very easy to make one yourself, and this way you know exactly what's coming into contact with your skin. Literally just oats. All you need to do is buy some oats, put it in a blender or maybe a food processor, and boom, you now have colloidal oats. The next natural product on my list is Calendula. Calendula is a plant that is from the daisy family, so if you have an allergy to daisies or ragweed or another plant in this family, you'll want to skip this one. Calendula has been used for years as a wound healing topical. The application of this plant seems to improve oxygenation and blood flow to the skin, resulting in new skin tissue growth. There has actually been a lot of research done on calendula and radiation dermatitis. Just to give you an example, when some people go through breast cancer radiation, they develop this radiation dermatitis that can be very painful and itchy. The use of calendula creams in these radiation dermatitis patients have been able to significantly reduce the pain and itch similar to conventional medications. Just like colloidal oatmeal, a lot of brands nowadays are creating calendula creams, so it could be worth a try to suppress your itch. The next natural product is chamomile, which is another plant. It's actually also part of the daisy family, so again, if you have an allergy to the daisy family, skip this one. I've seen a lot of people use chamomile tea topically and with very good results, mainly itchy babies. Chamomile naturally has soothing properties and is very good for reducing the inflammation that can lead to itchiness. A German study actually found that a cream with chamomile in it worked better than a weak steroid cream for reducing eczema. Personally, I like consuming chamomile tea a little bit better than applying it topically because it's very good at calming down your system. Stress is often a contributing factor to the dreaded itch, and so calming yourself down with a nice cup of chamomile tea can help you reduce the itch in that way. The next natural product on my list is coconut oil. Isn't it interesting how everything on my list so far has started with the letter C? This was not planned. Anyways, I really like coconut oil because not only can it help reduce your itch, it also has antimicrobial properties. It contains something called lauric acid, which can help to target bacteria, fungi, and other pathogens that may be on your skin, contributing to your itch. I know a lot of people swear by coconut oil as their sole moisturizer. For me, coconut oil was one of the natural products out there that did not seem to aggravate my skin when I was going through eczema and TSW. I remember my skin was just so sensitive and it would react to almost anything that I put on it. However, coconut oil I think is just so plain that my skin didn't really have anything to react to. So if you find that your skin is sensitive to most moisturizers, coconut oil could be a good one to try. Before we get to the next natural product, I'm going to ask you to hit the like button if you're finding this video helpful. Hopefully we can turn all of the itchy people out there into non-itchy people. Alright, the next natural product is beef tallow. So beef tallow has been gaining a lot of popularity recently. Even the Asthma and Allergy Foundation of America has been saying good things about beef tallow. Beef tallow is basically beef fat, so it contains compounds such as fatty acids and glycerol, which are natural compounds found in the skin. These compounds are likely what is helping to reduce inflammation and dryness of the skin, leading to reduced itch. Also, when you apply beef tallow to your skin, the fat can act as this nice protective barrier that basically locks in moisture, protects the skin, and ultimately allows your skin to heal. Beef tallow generally has a smell to it, which some people might not like, but I have seen unscented beef tallow balms out there. I've also seen beef tallow infused with other ingredients such as calendula or honey, so just make sure you read the label before you purchase so you know what you are getting. Now, something I will mention is that if you have very sensitive skin, sometimes using no products is better than using anything. If you need some support to develop a long-term plan to heal your skin, check out my coaching programs at fightingeczema.com. If you join my one-on-one coaching program, I guarantee that I will work with you until you don't need me anymore, no matter how long that takes. To learn more about how to heal your skin, check out one of the videos that has just popped up on your screen. If you have already tried any of the natural products that I've already mentioned, let me know how they worked for you. Alright, I'll see you in the next video.